A very warm good afternoon to all the attendees. Thank you so much for joining us. We have Mr. Raju Lunawat, our star seller. Hello, Raju sir.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Absolutely fantastic, ma'am.
Okay. So, sir, thank you very much for giving us time for today's webinar, and hope we can start the session.
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Okay. Thank you very much. So before we move ahead with this session, I would just request you to please give a small introduction of yours to all our sellers who are online and watching you. We are also live on YouTube, by the way, so I would request you to just give a small introduction to everyone.
Okay. My name is Raju Lunawat, and I am a seller on Flipkart in the name of Amesto. So I've been selling on Flipkart since 7 years, and the journey had been fantastic throughout.
Thank you very much, sir. So we'll move ahead with our session today, and we'll discuss something about your entire journey on Flipkart. So as Raju sir just said that he started his journey almost 7 years back on Flipkart. So sir, how was your journey overall till now?
It was a lot of roller coaster ride. Nothing is actually easy. Lots of challenges we had, but in every step and in every year, I suppose there was someone who was always, backing me, and that was, Flipkart. The amount of support what these people had given me is commendable. They have helped me and made sure that I am today because of Flipkart. I'm really grateful for Flipkart for this.
Thank you so much, sir. Really good to know these kind words coming from you. So, sir, my next question to you is, what are the verticals you are dealing in currently?
So I am into electronics, I am into home and kitchen appliances, I am into multiple other categories, power banks, and this all happened, year on year. So I think Flipkart has helped me a lot in giving me all the insights and how to enter into other verticals. So I'm into multiple verticals as of now.
Thank you very much. Good to know that. So when you started on Flipkart, like you started with all these verticals, or you started with one vertical and then you moved ahead?
I started with one vertical, and I kept on doing a lot of research into I would like to explore into other verticals as well.
Okay.
But then there was who was always guiding me, Kesar, why don't you try this vertical as well? So I had many failures in verticals and few successes as well. But there was always a learning in those failures, right? So that's how it made me more strong to expand into more verticals as well.
That's great. So we are good to know that your journey has been good with Flipkart so far. So now, since it's a very important question, especially coming up from other sellers also, as we all know that because of this pandemic situation, the lockdown happened, business went down, it was completely shut down for most of the sellers. So how are you coping up with it? What is the current working scenario in your warehouse at your place?
So I think it is all something like a refresh button or a restart button. So during the pandemic, when there was lockdown, right? So we had thought everything, will go away. But then, Flipkart was something what actually, approached the sellers. They had certain protocols. They made sure, we restart our business. So we followed their guidelines. They always wanted us, why don't you have social distancing? Why don't you maintain those health and hygiene and everything? So keeping all that in mind, we had actually, started the business. But in fact, I can easily tell you, the base has actually shifted from what it was pre-COVID to post-COVID. I can see lots of new customers, have poured into online. So the brick and mortar customers, right, they have moved into buying into online. So that had actually given a lot of boost to me. Yeah.
That's great to know. So, sir, how has Flipkart helped you in this COVID situation? Like, is there something, some instruction that you got from our end, or how did you move ahead?
So, we always used to, ask them because seller support team was always there, and in fact, I can tell you the camp. So they guided us, in terms of getting the permission from the government authorities. Let it be, anything. So packaging, let it be packaging, staff, manpower, everything end to end. They had actually, solved that issue. So I am really grateful to Flipkart for this.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. So moving on to our next question. What is the one Flipkart service that has helped you a lot, especially in growing your business? And what do you like most about Flipkart?
Okay. See, there is not one service which I can actually pinpoint. There are multiple services which Flipkart has helped me grow. So I have zeroed down onto two or three growth opportunities. So I would recommend the smart fulfillment which Flipkart launched. Right, it is a brilliant product which they have launched. This made sure that all my products are moved from non-FBF to F assured products. So that had given me an incremental sale of around 30-35%. And going forward, there was something like the day-to-day operations. So I was finding it very difficult to pack and ship each and every product. Then Flipkart came out with an option ki, why don't you start with fulfillment by Flipkart, so wherein you just have to put in all your products on Flipkart warehouse, and from there onwards you have the sale. So they will take care of all your packing, shipping and everything. So when I started with one warehouse, but today I suppose I have multiple warehouses. So I think approximately 16 warehouses I do have. So I needn't have to worry much about packing and all those stuffs, but rather I have more time for myself to focus and grow into other categories as well. So I think I've expanded my business because Flipkart has taken care of all the packaging and everything. And one more product which I would really appreciate Flipkart is these services of picking the goods from the seller and inverting to their warehouse, irrespective how much ever is the quantum, that too at free of cost. So that has helped me a lot in terms of saving my logistics to a great extent.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. So one last thing that I would want you to say, can you share some tips with our new sellers or sellers who are recently onboarding and help them how to grow their business on Flipkart? Especially now the festive season is almost here, like, it has already begun actually. So what tips you would like to share with them?
There are multiple things which I think a seller has to be prepared for when the festival season comes. So you need to make sure you have the right cataloging of every product. You need to have the right pricing, because you will have lots of competition, right? So product quality also should be maintained. So you need to stock as well. So all the products, whatever you are planning for the event, you need to make sure that you are spot on. Because see, this is what is called as investment, because you will see the base shift from the event. So once when you get the right product, right pricing, you will see a lot of customers buying your product. You will see the relevance going up, and then definitely your base will shift from what you are to. So this big billion day is better than the best, because I have seen 6 big billion days as of now, and I feel this would be better than the other ones, because you will find in lots of customers shopping online. So definitely I would urge all the sellers to opt in into all the offers to whatever Flipkart have those growth opportunities, and definitely stock up all the goods. Make sure you're ready for the festive season, because it's bada aur kuch nahi.
Thank you very much, sir, for all these kind words. And I'm sure this is going to be extremely helpful to all our sellers who are here online. So, yeah, I guess you have covered almost all the points. And I think sellers are also very happy, and I can see a lot of comments coming in. So, thank you very much, everyone. Raju sir, I would really like to thank you for your time and support that you gave us, and we are so happy to have you here. And we wish to see you, being part of Flipkart as the entire journey has been. So this journey should continue. So thanks a lot. And we wish you also all the best for upcoming festive season and BBD. It's almost down the line. So thanks a lot, sir. And hope to see you again soon in these kind of sessions so that you can interact with other sellers and give them these inspiration that you have just shared. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Ria. Thank you so much, and wish all the sellers good luck. Make sure you have the best big billion days. Wish you good luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ria. Thank you so much.